How to do flat butt kicks. 1. Starting position. Lie flat on your stomach, prone, on a mat. Keep legs extended straight, toes pointing down. Place your forehead on your hands for comfort. 2. The movement. 1. Bend your right knee and bring your heel toward your glutes. 2. Lower it back slowly to the floor. 3. Repeat with the left leg. You can alternate legs, like a flutter, or do both together. 3. Form tips. Move slowly and with control. Avoid swinging. Keep hips pressed into the mat. Don't arch lower back. Squeeze your hamstrings as you bring heel toward glutes. Muscles worked. Hamstrings, primary. Responsible for knee flexion, curling the heel up. Gluteus maximus helps stabilize hips during the motion. Calves, gastrocnemius, assist when bending the knee. Core and lower back. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.